move any object, first of all you draw anything. I draw square, okay, and aim enter and choose your object. After choosing object, enter and select your base point and move it anywhere. I move object anywhere because my ortho is off. If you want, you move horizontally and vertically. If keep your ortho on, control F8, okay, and after on my ortho, then I move it horizontally and vertically, okay. Again aim enter and choose object and select your base point, and I move horizontally and vertically because my ortho is on, okay. Thank you, visit again and comment your opinion, okay. If you any doubt, please comment.